Hi guys and welcome to another video. This is my third unboxing video. My other unboxing videos will be found at the card that you'll see up there. So go check them out. They're quite good. They're brilliant. I think I've done really well. I hope you'll really like them. So this video is a Candy Chaos unboxing. Now, I love my sweets, and this is the perfect gift and kind of box subscription if you're wanting to get into subscription boxes. This has sweets from around the world as far as I know. So let's have a look at this beautiful box of sweets. So this is what the box comes like. Unfortunately, I'm not very happy at how the box presentation is. It just comes in a cardboard box with everything chucked in. The first thing is marshmallow spread. Now, I've never had this and I'm sure it's going to taste really odd. Right, let's have a try of this. Very thick. I've got some on my trousers already. It tastes like someone just stuck a load of marshmallows in a tub. I think I'll have that on toast tomorrow. Right, number 2 is this little bottle of something. It's called Health Energy Potion, and it comes in like this little bottle. So let's give this a whirl. I'll probably be as high as a kite by tonight. And this has a seal on it as well. Okay. Oh god, that tastes like an alcoholic drink. No, I don't like that one. Next, I've got Cinders of Hanover, and these are like a buffalo hot wing pieces. I'm going to try these out later because if I open them then they're going to go off. Next, I have this. It's wrapped up. What is it? Oh. We have Pop Rocks bubblegum, and that's like the stuff you used to, it's like popping candy. Right, this is a popping candy. Yep, just as I, yeah, just as I remember. Next, this was the thing that was wrapped up, which was, oh, that's so cool. Pac-Man energy drink. What I'll do is, for some of these items, I won't actually open them here, but and try them out, but I will leave my review down below. Next are Candy Hero Jelly Babies. I know what Jelly Babies taste like, so no need to taste these, but Candy Hero do like boxes as well, I think, or they do selection boxes, so if you want to sign up to them, I'll put their link down below and go check them out. Next is this Warheads Extreme Sour Hard Candy. Now, I love a good bit of hard sour candy, so blah. Oh god. The next one is Baby Ruth, and this is like a protein bar. It's like a chewy, it says bursting with peanuts, rich caramel and chewy nougat. It's like a bar, I'm guessing. Let's have a go. Oh. So for those who live in the UK, This is done by Nestle, but Nestle, I think, do a version called Snickers. So it's basically the same as the Snickers, but this is the American version. Next, I've got Whoppers. These are the original malted milk balls. And if you've ever had malted milk, I'm sure you'll like these Whoppers. Next is the Charleston Chew. Now this is a nougat with delicious chocolate coating bar. I think there's 2 bars in this, and I've already tried nougat, so I'm pretty sure I know what this is like. Also, we've still got a couple of those warheads that I was talking about. They come in lemon, blue raspberry and black cherry. Next is a gummy pizza. So this is just a chewy version of a pizza. Let's try a piece. Yeah, it's what I expected. Chewy and a little bit plasticky. Also got a tiny little bag of jelly beans. I'm not sure if you can see how big that is. Oh, it's a Tootsie Roll pop. Now, I've never had a Tootsie Roll, and I will, I'm not really sure on these, because I think I tried one, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's give this a bash. I'll probably hate it, and it'll probably be like, ugh. Oh, it's a lollipop. It's going to take ages to eat, so I'll eat that later. The next one is a big chunk. Now, or big hunk. Yeah, big hunk, sorry. Big hunk. Never heard of this before. It's gluten free, so that's good for those who don't like gluten. It's a honey sweetened nougat with whole roasted peanuts. So it's basically like this, but a different version, like the Charleston Chews, but different. There's loads of stuff in this box, and I'm really happy with what I've got so far. Next is the Nestle Butterfinger peanut butter cups. Now, I'm not a fan of peanut butter, unfortunately, so I will be giving these a miss, but I will give these to someone who likes peanut butter. I guess they're the Nestle version of Reese's Pieces. Let me know your thoughts down below on this. A pack of M&Ms and their birthday cake flavour. Now, you'd think birthday cakes come in very different, a lot of different flavours, so this will be interesting. I'll give this a try now. It tastes like a chocolate cake. That's it. So guys, that has been my unboxing. I've enjoyed all the different varieties of sweets and treats that I've got. A lot of nougat, but I think we can get past that. So thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Go subscribe. Share this with your friends. Tell them about Candy Chaos. Go subscribe to Candy Chaos. All the details will either be in the card up here or in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. I also want to thank Candy Chaos for sending me this. It's been really interesting trying different sweets and different treats, really, from all around the place.